We knew with the last beat of his heart that he was present with the Lord.
Many believe that when we die, our souls advance to heaven, leaving behind our earthly bodies.
And he was looking at the Lord's beautiful face as he opened his arms for his child.
Family of Gary Woodward, finding strength in knowing heaven, gained a selfless soul Saturday.
We will never forget him. Never.
Gary worked at St. Thomas West in Nashville for 25 years. He was the ICU team leader, a frontline hero during a global pandemic. The reality of his life's sacrifice becoming real on October 26th.
That little cough progressed into a massive cough by Sunday.
The power of prayer and a vow renewal. The significant symbols simply not enough to keep Gary's earthly body living.
We felt like he was going to get through it. He had an amazing team. It was his team of coworkers that cared for him every day.
Almost exactly 1 month after a positive result, Gary was called to heaven.
We were all there with him. I guess the last thing he heard was us telling him how much we loved him. He was our rock, and that rock is gone.
But that rock has left stones, ones that continue to do the selfless work he poured his life into.
We're a healthcare family.
His wife, Jackie, 3 daughters, Ashley, Jennifer, and Lindsay, seeing their rock's passion, causing a ripple effect through their own lives.
I went into nursing because of him, and actually worked in the very ICU that he works in for my very first job.
As witnessed throughout his decades as a nurse, Gary's family realizing his job went far beyond a 7 to 7 shift.
The nurses on the front line, they take this to heart when something happens and their patient doesn't make it. This was devastating for Gary's St. Thomas team.
And so, a healthcare hero becoming a hero in heaven. A rock he may be gone, but his life's work never forgotten, living on through those he loved the most.
I don't want anybody to forget Gary Woodward. He was the strongest man I know, and he gave his life as he cared for others.
Gary is also survived by 6 grandchildren. His family says he did not have any underlying health conditions. Reporting for 13 News, I'm Kelly Dean.